Here's where you can go to find the color scheme or display colors, or basically find the advanced settings. This is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro phone with HyperOS 2 or any other Xiaomi phones with HyperOS 2 that may have these features. Let's get started. You'll want to use the quick access like this here and tap on the settings right there. Once you're here now, you'll go down the list and look for display and brightness, this one right here. Then, while here, go down until you see color scheme. Now that you're here, usually at default, it would be set to the vivid option, which you can use these to get an idea of how it looks. Saturated will give you this, and the standard will give you this here. And as you toggle between them, you'll notice the difference in colors and also the white, how it becomes a bit on the yellow side. However, if you want some more options here, going down to the very bottom, you can also look at the color temperature and choose between one of these here. And you got the custom setup as well. But there is an advanced option. Not all Xiaomi phones will have this, but if it does, you will see it right in this area here. And as you tap on it, you got to select it first. Then you'll tap on the little arrow pointing to your right to get into it. And once you're here now, you got either this or the RGB option here, which you can also adjust these here. But going down some more gives you a rather more detailed customization, such as these other options here. So you can go deep into it and adjust the colors for your display however you want it. And if you do make any mistakes, you can discard it or reset to the default settings. And you can always come back here and change it to another option. And that's that. Like and sub.